Welcome to Lee Hill Auto Service video series. Here's Tim to talk about lower ball joints.
Good morning, I'm Tim. So what we have here is we have a Mustang with very, very low mileage. It's a 23,000 mile car, but it's an 07. Therefore, it's been sitting for quite a long time. These cars, when they're brought out of the factory, the ball joints and all the parts in the front suspension system do not have grease fittings on them. Therefore, you cannot replenish what keeps the ball joints or tie rods lubricated and tight and working in proper order. So a 23,000 mile car, the lower ball joints are bad, and I'm going to show you where those are now. This is called your lower control arm, and right here, connected from the lower control arm to the spindle, which holds your tire and wheel on, is your ball joint. Now I'm going to try and put my flashlight here so that you can see the movement. I'm going to cock my flashlight right there and shake the wheel, and you're going to see a little bit of movement in that ball joint, which it should have none. And this vehicle is in for a state inspection, and unfortunately that movement will not pass state. So even though your car has very low mileage, make sure you bring it to Lee Hill Auto Service so that we can make sure that everything's in good working order.